Kishore Narne, Senior VP at Anand Rathi Commodities, joins us on the show. Kishore, hi, afternoon. Let's start off with your view on gold first. What levels are you watching?
I think gold once now holds a support around $1,550 levels. I think from there we can see some kind of a bounce back. But still, I think we feel that every bounce back will be met with some selling pressure. So we'll be selling on a slight rally, or we can be looking at targets of around 29,500, 550 kind of a levels for the day.
Kishore, what about silver? Would you be bullish on silver as well?
No, I think silver again we are looking to sell on slight rallies from the current levels of around 53,400 kind of levels, and look to close to sell around 54,000 with 54.5 as a stop loss, and look for targets close to 53. So maybe 1,000 rupees kind of a fall from higher levels. But again, the weaker rupee would be some kind of a support for these metals. But I think eventually they'll be breaking down these levels.
Kishore, how about crude, and where do you see that commodity headed?
I think even crude is under tremendous pressure as the economies slip into kind of a very slag growth, or either in recession in Europe. I think we would be falling towards around $94–95 on Brent, which could be around 4,400, 4,450 levels in India. So even today we'll be selling it around 4,600 for the June contract, and look for targets close to 4,560 and with a stop loss of 4,650.
And Kishore, what about base metals like copper? What would be your trading call there?
I think again, looking at the macro economy, there's no demand side, though copper is having an imbalance of around 100,000 tons. But I think as the demand slacks down, this differential between the supply and demand will be shrinking. So I think we'll be selling that close to 409, 410 kind of levels. Look for targets close to 400 for the day, but I think eventually we'll break down towards 380, 385 on MCX.
Kishore, what's your call with some of these agro commodities? Are you spotting any opportunities where one can see significant upside, or there's money to be made?
Yeah, I think if you're looking for a month or more perspective, probably on a positional basis, China is still looking pretty good value pick at this point of time. We can be looking at a 4,400, 4,450 kind of a levels in a month or so.
Okay, Kishore, thank you so much for joining us with those commodity trading strategies right here on Markets at Lunch.